Hello, I'm Sarah from Worldwide Lawyers, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the costs of buying a property in Portugal. In another video we do discuss the legal process of buying a property in Portugal, so if you need this information check out this video also. So in relation to the cost of buying a property in Portugal then, you'll probably need to allow around about 7% of the property purchase price for these additional costs. Included in this are your lawyer's fees, which are typically charged at around 1 to 2% of the property purchase price, although you will need to consider that there's VAT charged on top of this, so you need to allow for that as well. As well as the lawyer's fees, there's also the notary's fees, and how much is charged by the notary depends on which notary's office is instructed. So it's difficult to say, although I would allow about 2% of the property purchase price for this. As well as your legal fees, you need to allow for the taxes associated with buying a property in Portugal. If you are buying a second-hand property, i.e. one that's not a new build, then you'll need to pay the property transfer tax, and this is charged at 0.2 to 0.8% depending on the type of property. If you are buying a new build, then the property transfer tax is not payable. However, you will need to allow for the VAT, which is charged on top of the purchase price. Now, a lot of the listed sale prices do include the VAT, but you will just need to check this so you know how much you're looking at paying for the property itself. Other charges include a stamp duty, which is charged at 0.8%, and there's also land registry fees, and you should allow about 0.5% for this as well. There are additional charges if there is a mortgage involved, so you should just need to be aware of that too. So I hope this has been helpful for you. It does help to get an idea of the additional fees that will be incurred when you're looking at property, so that you know how much of your budget you have for the property itself, as well as the additional costs associated with the property transaction. At the beginning of the property transaction, or once you've instructed your lawyer, they will be able to give you an idea of the figures associated with the property transaction, so you have an idea at the outset when you get your fee quote from your lawyer. So as I said, I hope that's been helpful for you. If you do need any assistance in obtaining a lawyer, then Worldwide Lawyers can put you in touch with an English-speaking independent lawyer in Portugal who has experience dealing with UK buyers in Portugal. So if we can help with that, don't hesitate to get in contact.